Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace my direct drive stepper motor gear. I noticed mine that's been slipping a little bit, so I thought the gear need to be replaced. Here, I just remove the handle, and then we are going to loosen these tiny screws on the gear. There are two of them. You need to loosen both, and we will have to loosen the stepper motor itself. So you can see there are two screws at the bottom here that are holding the stepper motor in place. Those need to be loosened up to allow some room for the gear to come out. So just loosen these a little bit, take the gear out just to allow enough room for it to come out, and then put the other gear in. And I tried to keep it really simple and not to make a complex job out of it. So here we're just going to allow the new gear to go in and then tighten that stepper motor back. Now that stepper motor back and tighten up, let's make sure that the gear in place. Notice that the stepper motor shaft has like a flat surface or a flat side. Make sure one of those screws goes on that flat side of the stepper motor shaft. Tighten both screws very well, and then at the very end, we just make sure that it's not touching anything. It's not like being hold or anything on the side. And then we just put the handle back. So here we're just screwing the handle back, and that's pretty much all you need to do. I did that. It took about 5 minutes. I'll speed this video up for you. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.